Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what magic potion you need to make your video go viral? Well, I'm here to spill the secrets. Let's dive in. First off, know your audience. This isn't just about figuring out their age or interests, but understanding what makes them tick, what problems they need solutions for, and how they like to be entertained. Tailor your content to meet these needs, and you're already on the right track. Next up, the hook. The first 15 seconds of your video are crucial. This is your window to grab attention. Ask a burning question, start with a shocking fact, or jump right into the action. Whatever you do, make sure it makes your viewer think, I need to watch this. Now let's talk about the title and thumbnail. These are your frontline soldiers in the battle for clicks. Your title should be clear but catchy, revealing enough to intrigue but mysterious enough to provoke curiosity. Pair it with a thumbnail that stands out. Vibrant colors, expressive faces, and minimal text can make a big difference. Engagement is key. Encourage your viewers to interact with your video. Ask questions, prompt them to leave comments, and maybe even end on a cliffhanger. The more they engage, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your video to others. Lastly, consistency is your best friend. Viral might happen overnight, but building a channel doesn't. Keep creating, keep improving, and keep engaging with your community. Each video is a learning opportunity and a step closer to that viral hit. So, there you have it. Understand your audience, nail that first impression, make your title and thumbnail pop, drive engagement, and stay consistent. Now go create that next viral sensation. Good luck!